Living so close to Bali, I've been there many times over the past 40 years. I fell in love with the island of the gods from the very first visit. Beneath its obvious tropical beauty lies another layer of joyous harmony in the many and varied festivals that are celebrated at regular intervals. One of these festivals is Galungal and is celebrated every 210 days. It gives thanks to the god in his manifestation as Hayang Giripati, the god of the mountain, for the bounty that the island provides to its people. To honour the volcano Mount Agung, elaborate penjors are erected outside the gates or doorways to homes, businesses and shops, creating an archway of dangling and swaying gifts to the mountain god. Created from bamboo, palms, fruit and flowers, it represents the necessities of life that the fertile soil of Bali provides. I've always wanted a penjor in my garden, but of course bringing one home would be very impractical, so I've decided to make one from felt. It only seems natural that it should be officially unveiled at Nancy's Bali Meditative Adornment Textile Retreat to be held in May this year. Follow my progress in creating the penjor and for its raising in Bali, or better yet, come and join us and have a fabulous time.